Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about t equal to first derivative of y. So if we do first derivative for the both side and we have like this. Now this one we change by t. This one we have first derivative of t. So we see that we have t and first derivative of t. This is about linear differential equations. So we need to use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that the positive next to this one, this is for integrating factor, and I will put this one going here. The integration of this one, we have ln of 1 plus s squared. And now we simplify and we have 1 plus s squared. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So for this one, we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have t multiplied by 1 plus s squared. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3, and I will put about c. Now we divide both sides by this one. And we know that t that is about this one. So we need to do the another integration. So we have like this. So the integration of this one, we have white. Now I need to concentrate on this one. So we know that s to the power of 3, that is about s and s squared. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus s squared, because we have s squared in here. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1, so we have du. this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. S where we have 2x. This one we change by u. So s where that is about u minus 1. 2s ds we change by du. Now we put number 3 go outside. U divided by u, we have number 1. 1 divided by u, we keep the same. So the integration of number 1, we have u. The integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about 1 plus s squared. Now we return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of c over 1 plus s squared, we can put about c number 1, that is about the constant number 1, octane of s, and we can put about c number 2, that is about the constant number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.